Welcome back to Full Fun Bros. Excuse that messy hair. Don't mind it because just woke up and getting right to the point and recording. So what we gotta do before we could get this E36 M3 to the frame shop is pretty much paint some inside parts like the hood, fender, nose panel black, and then the whole radiator support black. And those headlights right there, as you could see, one is faded, so we're gonna try to restore it as best as we can. So let's get the ball rolling. Let's get going. Alright, you guys, so we finally finished up restoring those headlights. They look pretty good, pretty much very close to OEM factory spec. Let me just show them to you really quickly. Here they are. Alright, you guys, check these puppies out. I'm super happy how they came out. This was the hazy one, the left side, and then this is the original headlight, but decided to do the same thing on the right side as well because, as you could tell, now they're nearly identical. The only thing is some slight orange peel. So I'm just going to hit it with about 2000 grit sandpaper, whatever I have in the garage, and then hit him with a nice little buff. And looks like we're not going to need the other pair of headlights because these are going to do just fine. So this was from the car with the corner light. This is the one we picked up in Pick and Pull. Looks nice. And this was only 30 bucks. So we're going to save another 180 bucks or so by doing this process right here. So I'm pretty happy. Believe it or not, sometimes I even watch clear coat cure and dry for minutes and minutes and minutes, but today we don't have that time, so we're going to bring in that radiator support, pretty much strip it down and paint it black. So we just woke up, day number 2 again. So we gotta just finish up the process of the painting the inside pieces. As you can see, scuff everything down a little bit first with this scuff pad, which is a 800 grit, and pretty much paint the inner piece of the nose panel, the fender, and the hood. So the hood is in the back down there. You guys will see it. So that's pretty much it. So let's get going. What it is, you guys, just came back from work. Some came in the mail right there, you see it. It's that front bumper that I ordered up on eBay, so we're gonna check it out right now. Hopefully everything is intact and okay. That way we don't have to do any returns or any of that stuff, and we just kind of move along with the project. But you guys seen we repainted all those little parts on the inside, and by now it should be dry. So let's go check it out and see how it came out. So here's that front bumper. Let's bring that camera lens a little closer, give you guys some details. So what you see down here with the bumper cover, moldings, grille, fog lights, and lower lip, everything's 160 bucks. Kudos to them, whoever shipped it. Everything's in one piece. We're clear to move on and don't have to struggle like returning stuff and whatnot. This is the pretty much brackets, just showing how they work. You just slide it in, got 2 bolts, and that's on both sides. And then we just have some bolts or screws, and it just straight up goes to the impact bar. So 90s technology, but works okay. Here's that radiator support. Just gonna hit it with some clear coat. We should be good to go. But yeah, definitely happy with how it turned out. We're saving some time here. Fender, whatever, nothing to show. Hopefully it's a little cheaper on my end too. The painter's gonna have to paint them. Got the headlights looking crispy. Last but not least, here's that hood. Oh yeah, birds think they're trying to do us like that, huh? Well, they got the last of that lap because we're actually repainting this hood. But yeah, here's the back of it. Everything is good. Again, I might hit the top pieces right here of the hood inside with some clear just so it stays on nice and secured, but there it is. So there you guys have it. Quick little update. I hope you guys like it. I mean, it's nothing crazy, but a little work here and there. Just paint it up so it's a little cheaper on my end, faster for the paint guys. Just kind of sand up the parts, scuff it up, and slap it with some nice Cosmos black metallic. So everything is here. We got that hood, fender, front bumper cover, impact bars, all that good stuff. So it's pretty much cleared for frame shop, and man, I'm pretty happy. Can't wait. But there's one more piece that we actually need. So if you guys remember, my fender apron was kind of damaged. So what it is pretty much the chassis part behind the fender, as you see right there. That's the only thing we need. Next footage is us cutting that piece off. So whoosh, stay tuned.